Let's get started with Google Doc add-on. Over here, just click on our Creativespace Google Doc add-on. Once you have downloaded from our extension. Once that is done, every single tool, be it Paraphraser, Translator, Grammar Checker, Citation, Plagiarism, Summarizer, AI Detector, every single tool is in one place to make sure our user doesn't have to switch between the platforms or the tools even. Now, if you are a student, professionals, writers, any individual, if you love to write, you need to use these tools because in today's world, communication is an integral part of our day-to-day life. You need to make sure your credibility is not harmed because you are getting judged the way you are communicating. Let's get started with Paraphraser. Over here, just copy paste the content. Once you have done that, our tool will paraphrase it for you. Read essays, research reports, assignments, or anything. If you have to rewrite the content without changing the meaning, our tool will do it for you. Go into settings. You have got multiple options of tonality as well. Standard, fluency, natural, every single tonality option is right in one place. Go for custom as well. Once you have chosen the custom, go for synonym options as well. Low, medium, high. Paraphrase options, quotation, contractions, active words, yellow highlight, legend, changed words, unchanged words, every single thing, one place. Enter the custom word that you would like to go for. Academic. It's done. Our tool will paraphrase it for you. So it is way more easy for you to understand every single thing. Copy this content and paste from to Google Doc. You don't even have to switch between the tabs. Now, go for translator. If you need to make sure you are explaining a certain content to another individual from another country who understand different language, you can do that. If you have got a group of friends, if you are dealing with business individuals, you have to explain into different languages. We have got same content can be translated into 3 different languages in one place. Yes, you heard that right. Without changing the meaning, all you have to do is switch between language. It is done. It is that easy. Now, copy this content and paste it on Google Doc as well. You can do that for anything, essays, reports for your day-to-day life. Now, go for grammar checker to make sure whatever essays, reports, assignments you're pasting, it is grammatically correct. You need to make sure of that. Once that is done, you can do that for all the things. Correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery, every single thing will be in one place to make sure your content remains intact. Once that is done, you can go for stats option within the grammar checker. It will give you the overall thing, word count, characters, sentences, paragraph, reading time to make sure you are writing in a professional way, being a professionals, research analysts, students, any individual. You can do that for yourself. Go for plagiarism checker to make sure your content is remains unplagiarized. Our tool will crawl billions of websites for you to make sure your content is not plagiarized because we have got our own AI proprietary model that is getting trained every single second. Yes, you heard that right. Few seconds, it is right here. Now, you are getting every single thing internet content, plagiarized content, paraphrase content, external sources as well with 100% exact sources. That is the power of our tool. You 100% get the proper source so that our end user doesn't face any kind of issue. Go for AI detector as well to make sure your content is not AI written. Rather than plagiarism checker, you go for AI detector. It is so fast. See, within 2 seconds it was done. Whether it was written by AI, mixed or human, it was written by AI. So 100% AI was here. If it would have been written by human, certain colors would have been changed. Like human would have been blue, mixed would have been purple. To make sure your content is proper, you can go for AI detector. Now, over here, download the report so that you can send it to the individuals who for whom you are writing this content for. This will help you maintain professionalism. Now, summarizer is for those who want to save time and understand the big content without changing the meaning. That is the best part. Also, you can write in how many words you would like to understand this content in. For example, I would like to understand the above content in 25 words. Our tool will do it for you without changing the meaning. As you can see, without changing the meaning, it is done. It is that easy. Understand reports, what other person is trying to say in the emails or an essay or an assignment. It will help you upskill yourself into different skills that you need for your industry. It can be done in an easy way. Citation generator for research papers, for authors who would like to understand what they would like to go for. Copy paste the link over here. Once that is done, our tool will cite it for you. We have got 13 plus citation styles in one place. Our tool will cite it for you without changing anything else. Also, we have got the option of cite in text, copy citation as well. Individuals, research paper analysts, or authors, they know what I'm talking about. So the individuals who would like to write a book or a research paper, they should be using Citation Generator along with Plagiarism Checker, AI Detector, Paraphraser, Translator, all in one place. Students, professionals, writers, if you love to write, go for Grammar Checker, go for Paraphraser, go for Translator for different language communications, go for Summarizer to understand in a very shorter period of time. Every single thing in one place. Every single tool will come up with the insert text option so that you don't even have to copy paste it. Select it, insert text. Our tool will do it for you. That easy. No worries about clicking another button. So no matter who you are, what you do, or what you write, if you would like to make sure your communication is proper, you need to make sure Creativespace add-on is within your Google Docs. Creativespace, making writing accessible for everyone.